girls, welcome to Learn Guitar Wednesday. That means it's your day. You have songs you want to learn and I want to bring them up for you to learn them, educate you guys. So this time we have you, Kobe Hansen. You wished for Akon's and Wyclef Jean's song called Sunny Day, and you specifically asked for easier chords for this song. I'm not sure what chords you have played or came across, which chords if they were difficult, but here on Learn Guitar, we're always striving for have the easiest scenario possible. So that's the why we have this capo on here on the 4th. And yeah, it's because we want to make life that much easier and simple. So follow along here. This is the best scenario for you to learn this song called Sunny Day. Thank you for being here on the channel, Kobe. Let's go into it. And we have, like I said, capo on 4th. A couple of chords to learn. Let's start with G. So that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is this. It's the D sus4/F sharp. Yes, a long name, but it's very simple. It comes right after the G chord. So what you do here is to keep the bottom there on the 3rd fret B and 3rd E from the G chord, and you recuperate your 2 fingers, index and mid finger, to this. Okay, so you place the index finger on the 2nd fret E string. That's the F sharp in the name. Then you continue with open A, open D, and then your mid finger on the 2nd G. And like I said, the rest down there, ring finger on 3rd B and a little pinky on 3rd E stays there. So that's the D F chord. Then we have the E minor. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. And we'll also have the A minor. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. There you have the 4 chords needed for this song, and the chord progression will be through the entire song the same. G to D F to E minor, then A minor, G, and D F. And that's what's rolling, okay? So let's learn how to handle the chords. Grab the first chord, G. 1 string around will be like this. This is my interpretation of it. You can do it in different ways. This is what I would do if I would perform this song or play for myself. So you're going to play 1 down. And you have a short pause there, and then comes up, clap, down. In one motion. So down, up, clap, down. A couple rounds. Okay, so we're ready for this. So we already went through the chord progression. You're gonna play G, 1 string around, then the D F 1, and then E minor 2. That's the first half. Second half goes A minor 1, G 1, and D F 2. And that's it. So G1, D F 1, E minor 2, A minor 1, G 1, D F 2, like this. Again, G1, DF1, E minor 2, A minor, G, DF 2. And that's it, my friend Kobe. You have that song there, Akon and Wyclef Jean's Sunny Day. Alright, so happy me wearing my shades here on this sunny day. Hope you will survive this hot day again with this cool song. So yeah, give it a chance. Thank you for being here, Kobe, on this channel. And if you are watching this tutorial here, and yeah, you just remember one song from your childhood or something else you want to learn, then feel free to leave me a comment. I read everything, put you on the list, and we'll see if it's you next time. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.